So here we're in the split stance position. My right foot is forward and I have more weight on my right foot than my left foot. The more weight I put on my right foot, the more load that's going to go through my hip. And then when we go through that rowing motion, I'm keeping my elbow a little bit away from my side. I'm not coming way far past my body. As you notice here, I kind of stopped toward the top. And then depending on what hand we put it in, we're going to create a little bit different load. So when it's on the same hand that the leg is forward, that's going to lock up our trunk a little bit more and drive and just kind of change the demands on the hips at the same time. So look at your programming to kind of depict on which side we're doing here. But what I want to point out is there's not much hip motion. So the motion is coming from my shoulder blade coming around my ribs and my thoracic spine rotating a little bit. But my hips, so both of my hip bones, left and right, are pointed toward the floor, and I'm not opening or closing my hip. So if you have a hard time keeping your hips closed, switch to where the arm is with the leg that's forward and do the row in that position.